Welcome to this OrbitNote video focusing on the Scan Text feature. This feature allows you to convert inaccessible, image-based PDFs to accessible, readable PDFs. Accessible PDFs contain text that can be selected, read aloud, or copied. Key benefits include empowering annotation and literacy support, supporting read-aloud accommodations, and increasing accessibility for scanned physical documents. To begin, open an inaccessible PDF document in OrbitNote from your local system, Google Drive, or OneDrive. If OrbitNote recognizes the PDF as inaccessible, a Scan Text icon will appear at the top right of your toolbar. You can select this icon or the smaller one at the top of your dashboard. A panel will appear where you select your preferred language, file location, and file name. Click Scan to start the process. A progress window will appear while OrbitNote analyzes and scans the PDF. Once the scanning process is complete, the OrbitNote dashboard will open with your new accessible PDF. You can now annotate or use the literacy features to read the accessible text aloud, copy the document text, and so on.
Inaccessible PDFs often can't be read by screen readers.